Have you noticed the rise of warm minimalism in home decor and design? It's everywhere these days, but what makes it so appealing? Let's dive into this trend taking over in 2024. Welcome back to Modern Minimalism, where we help you create a peaceful and efficient lifestyle through the art of minimalism. Today, we're exploring a trend that's gaining tremendous popularity in interior design: warm minimalism. This style blends the simplicity of minimalism with the coziness of warm textures and natural elements, creating inviting and serene spaces. But why is warm minimalism becoming the go-to design trend for 2024? Let's find out. Many people love the idea of minimalism but find it too cold or sterile for their taste. Achieving a warm, minimalist aesthetic can be challenging because it requires a delicate balance of simplicity and warmth. You might struggle with finding the right materials, colors, and furnishings that offer both minimalism and coziness. But don't worry, we'll break it down for you. Before we dive deeper, if you find our content helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights on minimalist living and interior design. So, what exactly is warm minimalism? Let's explore its core principles. 1. Natural materials. Warm minimalism emphasizes the use of natural materials like wood, stone, and linen. These elements add texture and warmth to a space without cluttering it. Think of wooden furniture, stone countertops, and linen textiles. 2. Neutral colors. The color palette in warm minimalism is muted and earthy. Shades like beige, taupe, soft gray, and warm white dominate. These colors create a calm and inviting atmosphere, making your space feel both serene and cozy. 3. Functional design. Every piece in a warm minimalist space serves a purpose. This approach focuses on functionality and simplicity, ensuring that each item is both beautiful and practical. Furniture with clean lines and multifunctional uses fits perfectly into this style. Loving this video so far? Kindly hit that subscribe button for more videos about everything minimalism. 4. Cozy elements. While maintaining simplicity, warm minimalism incorporates cozy elements like soft rugs, plush cushions, and warm lighting. These touches make the space feel inviting and comfortable, balancing the minimalist aesthetic with a sense of homey warmth. So why is warm minimalism resonating with so many people? It offers a unique combination of calm, simplicity, and coziness that modern life often lacks. In a world filled with constant stimulation and clutter, people are craving spaces that help them relax and unwind. Warm minimalism provides just that, a serene environment that feels both stylish and comforting. This trend isn't just about looks. It's about creating spaces that nurture well-being. By reducing visual clutter and incorporating natural, calming elements, warm minimalism helps foster a sense of peace and contentment in our daily lives. Warm minimalism combines the best of both worlds, the simplicity of minimalism and the coziness of warm, natural elements. It's no wonder this trend is taking over in 2024. By embracing warm minimalism, you can create a home that is not only beautiful, but also a sanctuary of calm and comfort. What are your thoughts on warm minimalism? Have you incorporated this style into your home? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on interior design trends and minimalist living. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Modern Minimalism.